Hi all! Today is Sunday and I'm gonna prepare egg bread cup for breakfast. It's really easy and yummy, so you all must try. I'll show you how I made it. You can just prepare it in 20 minutes. Then let's start. I got an onion, but you can get any of your favorite vegetables. First I'll slice the onion. And I'll chop up the onion. Make sure they are chopped up well. And I'll just set aside. And this is a spring onion, which is left over from yesterday's dinner. I'll again chop up this spring onion. And I can just mix it with the onion. I got 2 eggs. Oops, but it's okay because we're gonna beat the eggs. It's soy milk, but if you have milk, you can put milk as well. I just personally like soy milk. Adding milk or soy milk will make your eggs softer. This is the vegetables I chopped up. And I'll mix it with the eggs. And a pinch of salt and black pepper. I like black pepper. And I got sandwich breads. I'll cut off the edges. These edges, I'll use them for making some snacks next time. Get a rolling pin and make the breads flat. I couldn't find a big rolling pin, so I'm just using this. If you don't have a rolling pin, then you can just use your palm to make it flat. Then, using scissors, cut the breads like I do. Oh, don't worry, these scissors are only for the cooking purpose. I got a muffin pan and put the bread inside and make a shape of a cup. While making the shape, you can press the bread so they are in the shape of a flat cup. Once the cups are ready, we'll pour the egg into the cup. I think 2 scoops are enough for 1 cup. I made 6 cups with 2 eggs. I've sprinkled some parsley on top to make it look better. I'll put it in the microwave and wait for just 8 to 10 minutes. Then it's ready. Okay, these are the egg bread cups. It's a bit hot, so you can use a tool. It's not easy. I'll just use my hands to remove it from the pan. Be careful, cause they could be really hot. So it's in the shape of a small cute cup and it's got egg inside. Okay, so this is my breakfast. The egg bread cups and some salad with grapes and a strawberry. I think 3 cups are enough for 1 person. Isn't this like really easy? And it looks cute as well. So you must try and tell me if you liked it. And also tell me if you have better idea to make it yummier so we can develop a better recipe. Maybe something like adding some other vegetables would make it better. Do share your ideas by leaving comments under this video.
자, 한번 드셔보세요.
와, 이거 어떻게 먹어야 돼? 잠깐만, 일단 포도를 먼저 먹고. 식빵에 도대체 뭐가 들어간 거지? 이거
잘라서
잘라서
들고 먹어도 되고.
이걸 한 입에 딱 먹어주면은.
네?
고근한 맛이다.
빵이 바삭바삭해, 빵은?
빵은 바삭바삭하고 안에는 계란찜 같은 느낌인데 괜찮은데?
괜찮아?